How to create the glassbox effect. Import your image and duplicate it. Ensure image is a smart object, then apply the Gaussian blur effect. Once done, go to the filter gallery, open the distort drop-down menu and select glass. Check the filters layer to be sure the glass effect is toggled visible. Make changes to the effect as you please, then click OK. Once done, click the blurred layer and make a selection of the area you want visible. Then using your selection, create a mask on that layer. You can make adjustments to your selection as you deem fit.